Welcome to this episode of Random Review. In this episode we're going to take a look at these Oxelo MF900 free skates. You can buy them at Decathlon, and I think it's only a Decathlon product. It's a pretty cool product, let me tell you. It looks pretty cool, as you can see. It has 3 larger wheels, and that's for the speed skaters among us. And it has a hard boot for the people who are unstable on their feet. And you got both a clicking system and laces, so you are almost certain to stand stable on them. But it is, if you are used to 4 or 5 wheels, it is a little bit of, it takes a little bit of time to get used to it, but it works. And as I said before, you get much faster speeds, so that's pretty cool. But what makes these especially great is the price, because it's only 90 euros. I bought them actually for 70 on sale. And for 70 euros, I don't think there's a better buy, because it's a really great skate and it's only 90 euros. Is it as great as, I don't know, Roses or K2 or Zahnstraße for 500 euros? No. But if you buy those kind of skates for 90 euros, these are better. If you enjoy skating, you don't have too much time on your hands, so you're not invested too much into the hobby, I think these are a great start. Or if you want to restart your time skating, these are really great. The quality is outstanding, the build quality is good. You get a lot of gadgets with it, like a brake. I don't need that, but you get a brake. And you also got tools to remove your wheels. Everything is included. So it's just a great set for for a small price. As you can guess, this is of course a 5-star product. Can't say anything bad about it. But wait a minute, I can. Because actually there's a little bit of pet peeve, and I learned this actually from another video. Behind this little thingy there's a screw, and the screw hurts your leg. So put a little bit of tape on it on the inside, so in your sock, and you won't have anything bad happen to your feet, and you enjoy a great skating time. So all in all, I can definitely recommend these. You also have like a cheaper version with 4 wheels or 5 wheels. It's also pretty good, but try these. This is the future of skating. So thanks for watching. Definitely pick up skating, because I kind of feel like nobody does anymore, but it's really cool. 5-star review. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. And of course, check you later.